In this video, I will be showing you how to blur a background in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and scroll down through the template options until I find a design I like. I'll select this floral Facebook post template and click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I'll click on the background image to select it. Then I'll click the Edit button in the top menu bar to open the image editing tools. From the side panel, I'll scroll down to the Filters section and click See All to find the Blur tool. I'll select Blur to open its specific settings. First, I'll make sure the Brush tab is selected so I can manually apply the effect. I can adjust the brush size and intensity here. I'll start painting the blur effect directly onto the background flowers, carefully moving around the central bird and text to keep them sharp. I'll adjust the intensity a few times to get the level of blur just right. If I want to blur the entire background at once, I'll switch over to the Whole Image tab. Here, I can use the intensity slider to blur the entire photo or slide it back to keep it subtle. Once I'm happy with the look, I'll close the panel and my blurred background is ready.